Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Fiverr for passive income, complete guide step by step clearly. To start earning passive income through Fiverr, first, create an account on the Fiverr website. Visit fiverr.com and click on the join button located at the top right corner. Fill out the required information including your email address and a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for a quicker process. Once your account is created, explore different categories to identify your skills and potential services. Think about what you can offer that others might need, such as graphic design, writing, or social media management. Research successful Fiverr gigs in your niche to understand what works and what doesn't. Next, create a compelling gig by clicking on the Selling tab and then create a new gig. Write a clear and attractive title that communicates. In the description, be detailed about what clients can expect from your service. Set a competitive price that reflects the quality of your work while being attractive to potential customers. Use high-quality images or videos to showcase your work in the gig gallery. Optimize your gig by using relevant keywords to improve searchability on the platform. Establish your delivery time. Be realistic about how quickly you can complete the work. After creating your gig, promote it through social media channels, blogs, or other platforms to reach a wider audience. Consider joining Fiverr groups or forums to share your gig and network with other freelancers. Once you start receiving orders, focus on delivering high-quality work to build positive reviews. Good reviews will increase your visibility and lead to more sales. Continue expanding your service offerings based on client feedback and market demand. You can also create multiple gigs to diversify your income streams on Fiverr. Stay active on the platform by responding to inquiries promptly and engaging with potential clients. Track your earnings and analyze which services are performing best for continuous improvement. Revisit and update your gig regularly to keep it relevant and competitive in the marketplace. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to generating passive income through Fiverr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.